It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
Okay, this is Santa Clara Street. We're going to be starting at this wall. You can also see Grand Lisboa Casino right there. And you can also see some kind of interesting buildings, including this kind of colorful one right here. I think it says, it's like a government building, and there's also China Dragon Hotel. This is new. I remember that came out during COVID. And we're going to be walking directly down Santa Clara Street. This is Avenida de Praia Grande. And then this is going to be the one where we're going to be following is Santa Clara. So let's check it all out. Macau. So okay, let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Macau. And let's just get right into it. We're gonna also show you the lyrics. So we created some music and I fit that up into AI, so that's there as well. And I think there's no more to be said for this particular video. I just want you to experience it as if you were there yourself. Let's do it. Walk and talk time. Check it out, Macau. Okay, so Santa Clara. So we're gonna be walking down. This is San Francisco Gardens right here. So we're actually going to walk by that a little bit, and we can see some of the architecture, including this one. Somebody's heading. But we're going to walk by it, and there's actually a fountain up there too. But we're going to be walking all the way down to there. But let's just kind of go up and just give you a little glimpse. I did do a previous video where I filmed up at the top, so if you want to look at my more recent Macau ones, you can see some of that. Yeah, this is really nice though. There's somebody hiding from somebody over there. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow this way. We're still on Santa Clara, which is this street right here. But we're going to... Oh, they're chasing each other. Okay. I think we can go down up here. So who is Santa Clara? I think there's also a school here too. Oh, there's more. There's a whole group. Okay, so we're going to be walking down these steps and continuing on. Before we go down, there's a public bathroom there, and then way up there, there's a tower at the top. So let's go down to Santa Clara. Beautiful street lights, street lamps. Oh, actually that one has a story too. I might try to walk over to there as well. Yeah, I think I should do that. Let me try to see if I can get over there. We'll try to use the crosswalk and venture over. Let me see if I can go across like this. So Santa Clara is going to end down there. There's some things I want to show you here too, but let's just go down into this little park. So let me just see if we can... Okay, so we're gonna go down to this park. And then this building over here has some history, so we're gonna walk over there in a minute. And I think this one, there's one of these in Taipa as well. I think the sign is over here, so let me just see what this is. Font Wallace Foundation. So drinking water supply. Okay. So 2004, and the four goddesses supporting the simplicity, temperance, charity, goodness. Okay. So this is one of these in Macau and in Taipa. It looks like we have all the different, I think those are the signals to the directions of the northeast, southwest types of things. This one right here is a library. So that one right there has, it's closed on a Sunday. But this will have a lot of history. The history I remember most about it is World War II when Japan occupied Hong Kong. And then this particular place was where the spies would interact and people would get information about the enemy. And I guess predominantly that would have been Japanese who were occupying Hong Kong. They also had a consulate here, and so did the British. So there was so they were kind of represented, I guess is the word, here in Macau. Okay, I think I'm gonna go back across. And let's just see, got some beautiful trees, so I'm gonna navigate. And I think this school right here, I think it's called Santa Ana, so we'll see if we can see it. There we go. So yeah, I can't remember the name of that school, but it's a oh, there it is, Santa Rosa de Lima. And then there's also a nice steeple up on the right as well. So let's meander. Check it out real quick. Let's meander down Santa Clara. We also have a movie theater coming up as well, which is right here. I think I'm not allowed to go into the camera, but do you have movies here? Okay. So we're going to keep on meandering down a little bit further. Let me just kind of get the context of everything. So we basically walked down Santa Clara. Let me come up this way a little bit. You can also see Wynn Casino right in the background there. And that's the movie theater right there. The blue one, cinema house. There's even a rooftop up there too. Okay, so let's walk down a little bit further. We're gonna come to an ending of our video shortly. But now we're back in the black and white tiles. You have sun, you have a crab that we walked by a minute ago. And then you also have some alleys too. Like, this good. We just kind of walk like this a little bit. So you got little alleys all the way around. Hello, how are you? And we'll just keep on going. So we're gonna keep walking down this way. And then we're gonna come to the end of the video in a moment. Okay, so now we're on something called Rua do Campo, which is Field Street. But we definitely just finished our Santa Clara Street, so we are gonna end our video. Yeah, let's just end it right here, and that'll be the end of it. So yeah, this is Field Street. And Field Street was right around the corner. So end it there.
Come on now, come on. I gotta go, 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 go.